Oh, okay, what's up, guys? My name's Artie, and we are doing an epic unboxing. Just in case you hear anything, that's my brother watching some Lego cars. Strange fiction. Oh my, jeez. Look, that's a cut. I don't care. I'll get that fixed later after the video. It's things. But we're gonna do an epic unboxing of the NBA training cards. This is 2017 to 2018. There is a special golden card in here which I really want to get, but not all of these have them. So let's start off with the normal one, the normal epic unboxing. They're smashing it. Oh my god. Dude, I hope we did not do any damage to the packs. Or at least the cards. Thank you, God. Thank you. I didn't even get to read the instructions. Well, like that thing that says, but okay, so there is 7 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. I don't know how many cards are gonna be in here. And it's only for $18. I don't know why. But then they put it for 20, which is weird. It's not supposed to be that much because it's only 7 packs. It is a little bleeding. Oh, I'm gonna show my mom. I don't know, but he's watching that. I don't care what he's watching, because, yeah. I hope I get I really want that golden card. Please golden card, please golden card. Okay, let's start off with pack number 1. These are harder than Pokemon packs. Actually, they're the same. Just I didn't get my phone. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh my, jeez Louise, bro. These are super shiny. Another shiny card. You can see the reflection of the camera on it. Oh my god. That's another one. Oh my god. Oh yeah, boy. Yeah, we're definitely recapping that. So we got some pretty good cards, some shiny ones. I think these are all shiny. I'm gonna show you my, oh my god. If we get another, whatever. So, I got a hometown basketball player. I'll show you him. He's from the Washington team. Wait, what team is this? Washington Wizards. And this is from the Lakers. These are all they're all flippin' shiny, bro. They're literally all shiny. I hope we get the gold card. I need the gold card. That's like all I need. If we could get the gold card, that would be the best thing that can ever happen unboxing one of these packs. These are all shiny, bro. I might get another one of these because I really want that gold card. And I really need like at least 2 of them. Please gold card, please golden card. I just really need it. No. I want to say that I'm really wanted that, dude. Like, man, literally, I really want it so bad. The golden card, it's just, oh my god. Yo, is this, oh my god! my god! We got the, dude, literally, we got LeBron James! Yo, no, I'm not joking. LeBron James. No way, this is definitely a recap. Oh, are you okay? That was so... Stop screaming like a crazy dude. So we got 3 more packs to go, and I can't believe we're already 2 recaps. That is so cool. I can't believe that we actually got LeBron. Yo, like, it's crazy, bro. Get in the LeBron. Please get the golden card. I mean, like, I really need that golden card. I really need him. The golden card's my life, man. I really need that golden card. Okay, we got another, who is this? Another Cavalier player. There. I'll recap all these cards, but I'll start off with the very good ones. This is the second to last pack. Really need the golden card. I'm begging you, please, golden card. Please get the golden card. Today's pack. Oh, I thought this guy looked like Stephen Curry, but thought this guy was Steph Curry, but no. We got another one of these little highlight cards. Another Houston Rockets player. The last card. Please get the golden card. Please me get the golden card. Please me get the golden card. Please get the golden card. I will get the golden card. Whew. I'm really excited. Please. I just need that golden card. I really need it. I want to see how cool it is. I want to see it. No! My God. I've been waiting to have the whole day to open all these basketball cards, and I literally got 2 recaps. I only got 2 flipping recaps, bro. These are the only 2 cards that I'm definitely keeping. When we got the LeBron, yo, that was epic. But I wish we got that golden card, cause man, that golden card, it was gonna be something. All we got is a smashed up box. So, in order to get, none of these were lime green. We could have got the lime green pack. If we got a lime green pack, we would definitely start off with the gold card. So that's basically all for today. Here's another recap of the cards. Go quick. Really sad that we did not get any golden card. Hill Kings. It's weird. Super sad. We got, I think, like 3 Lakers, 3 Cavaliers. I don't know. No Warriors card. Nothing good. We got a lot of these cards. I really like them because they look like they're from the NBA Live. Another King Hills player. Well, not team. It's not a team, but it's another Team Hills. I mean, Hill King. I don't remember player. This guy looks kind of like a Japan player, like from Japan. Japan. Let's go to Japan, bruh. Now this card really looks like it's actually an actual NBA Live player. I don't know if it looks to you like that. Now, really sad that we did not get our looking for card. But I don't care what card I got. But really needed that. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you guys will never miss one of my uploads. So, until next time.